Now, this is what should happen. And you have Umathuludi here, then you have Usbelebele pushing in Udlalela. Now you have our striker, which is a problem. You won't score a lot of goals in Panagiti if you are not inside the box. You watch Brian Leon, even though he's not a great finish, but he's always in dangerous position because he's a striker. When ufuna tinti ball, now watch what happens. Because everyone is focusing there. Umathuludi U1 makes a run, makes a good run, and it takes a shot. But look at our striker, Ugu. You are not inside. You just came inside the box. You won't score, Panagit. Yeah, I don't like seeing this. You have Usibelebele out here. You have Umathuludi out here. We are not going to score a lot of goals, guys. I repeat, as a country, this Umathuludi should be here. Just like the previous video, Usibelebele should be here. You look at where is our striker. And uzokora kanjani mfanakithi. These guys lava ba relaxile lava. Now, this was a beautiful cross. Beautiful cross. Yeah, look at where the striker is. Uzokora nini mfanakithi if awukho eboxini. Yeah. Abothemba Zwane baze bayakushiya. You need to be in the box. You are a striker.